羡慕，羡慕，
envy, admire,
envy, admire.
真羡慕你有这么一个幸福的家庭。真羡慕你有这么一个幸福的家庭。
I really envy you, have such a happy family.
I really envy you, have such a happy family.
他很羡慕我买了一辆新车。他很羡慕我买了一辆新车。
He envied me for buying a new car.
He envied me for buying a new car.
很多人羡慕他的成功，却不知道他艰苦的经历。很多人羡慕他的成功，却不知道他艰苦的经历。
Many people envy his success, but don't know his hard experience.
Many people envy his success, but don't know his hard experience.
爱情，爱情，
Love. Between a man and a woman.
Love. Between a man and a woman.
没有恋爱过的人懂得爱情吗？没有恋爱过的人懂得爱情吗？
Do people who have never been in love know love?
Do people who have never been in love know love?
真正的爱情是懂得站在对方的角度思考问题，包容对方的缺点。真正的爱情是懂得站在对方的角度思考问题，包容对方的缺点。
True love is to know how to think about problems from the perspective of the other person, and to tolerate the shortcomings of the other person.
True love is to know how to think about problems from the perspective of the other person, and to tolerate the shortcomings of the other person.
真正的爱情必须经得起考验。真正的爱情必须经得起考验。
True love must stand the test.
True love must stand the test.
星星，星星，
Star.
Star.
夜空中的星星闪闪发亮，美丽极了。夜空中的星星闪闪发亮，美丽极了。
The stars in the night sky are shining brightly, very beautiful.
The stars in the night sky are shining brightly, very beautiful.
他看着天上那颗闪亮的星星，又想起他的爱人。他看着天上那颗闪亮的星星，又想起他的爱人。
She looked at the shining star in the sky and thought of her lover again.
She looked at the shining star in the sky and thought of her lover again.
即使，即使，
Even if.
Even if.
即使只是一点儿关心，他们也会很感动。即使只是一点儿关心，他们也会很感动。
Even if it's just a little bit of caring, they will be very touched.
Even if it's just a little bit of caring, they will be very touched.
即使下大雨，他也要出去。即使下大雨，他也要出去。
Even if it rains heavily, he will go out.
Even if it rains heavily, he will go out.
加班，加班，
Work overtime.
Work overtime.
今晚我要加班，我不回家吃饭了。今晚我要加班，我不回家吃饭了。
I'm going to work overtime tonight, so I won't go home for dinner.
I'm going to work overtime tonight, so I won't go home for dinner.
这个星期我每天都要加班，太累了。这个星期我每天都要加班，太累了。
I have to work overtime every day this week, and I am too tired.
I have to work overtime every day this week, and I am too tired.
员工需要加班才能完成这批货物。员工需要加班才能完成这批货物。
Employees need to work overtime to complete this shipment.
Employees need to work overtime to complete this shipment.
亮，亮，
To shine. To be lit. Bright. Light.
To shine. To be lit. Bright. Light.
萤火虫会发出一闪一闪的光亮。萤火虫会发出一闪一闪的光亮。
Fireflies will emit twinkling lights.
Fireflies will emit twinkling lights.
这盏灯很亮，非常刺眼。这盏灯很亮，非常刺眼。
The light was very bright and very dazzling.
The light was very bright and very dazzling.
天刚亮，爸爸就去上班了。天刚亮，爸爸就去上班了。
At dawn, Dad went to work.
At dawn, Dad went to work.
妈妈还没睡，房间里的灯还亮着。妈妈还没睡，房间里的灯还亮着。
Mom wasn't asleep yet, and the lights in the room were still on.
Mom wasn't asleep yet, and the lights in the room were still on.
感动，感动，
To move. To touch.
To move. To touch.
老师的一番话让同学们感动地流下眼泪。老师的一番话让同学们感动地流下眼泪。
The teacher's words moved the students to tears.
The teacher's words moved the students to tears.
爷爷的奋斗故事使我们深受感动。爷爷的奋斗故事使我们深受感动。
Grandpa's struggle story moved us deeply.
Grandpa's struggle story moved us deeply.
他舍身救人的行为，深深地感动在场的每一个人。他舍身救人的行为，深深地感动在场的每一个人。
His act of sacrificing his life to save others deeply moved everyone present.
His act of sacrificing his life to save others deeply moved everyone present.
谢谢观看。